This is entitled Glory in Thunder 2, Lightning and Lashed Rod. The God who sees me has seen the dark clerk's cloak stark, each bad release and bas relief, and marked each mark. The God who sees me has seen heaps of healing, and knows the nose his sheep must be hearing. No wonder, then, the wander, the wilderness ponder, the yonder beyonder. No wonder, the wonder. The God who sees me has seen horrors, has known and not flown, but blown kisses. I did say yes. I did say yes. Oh, at lightning and at lashed rod, at lightning and at lashed rod, at lightning and at rod, I did say yes. Eyes snapped, mouths moved, will was done. Wild, wieldy, word-leashed lash of will, whip-smart, smarting whip. Your tender torture has torn me tears, and taught these idle eyes the gift of grief, tiling walls of inner tombs to rooms, to hove to home, unleashing last of do-o-do from duelish dark to open, white, face-filled field. Your arms were quick to spin me webs, to place me wings, to net the get in let, yet be, to trade the leaden armor, the shibboleth's sting, for gold and leathern lantern bird with tale to tell, to tall. This the God who sees me saw. This the God who sees me showed, row on row of garden walls, and pressing posts of compost hosts, and some with lavish green, with grasses, flowers flow. But none to know, none to judge, without the knock, without the nudge, without the grace to simply be the one who willing God will see.